Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Manscaped not charging, lawnmower charger troubleshooting and quick fixes. Fix 1. Check the charger or charging dock. Make sure the charger is securely connected to a working power outlet. Inspect the charging cable and dock for any signs of damage, such as frayed wires or bent pins. If possible, try a different outlet or compatible charger to rule out the power issue. Fix 2. Reset the battery and clean the charging pins. Examine the trimmer's charging contacts and the dock's charging pins for dirt, hair, or dampness. Gently clean the contacts using a dry microfiber cloth or cotton swab. Place the trimmer back on the charger and ensure it is properly aligned with the charging pins. Fix 3. Let the battery recharge fully. Leave the trimmer on the charger for at least 2 to 3 hours. If the battery was completely drained, it may take longer before the charging light appears. Fix 4. Reset battery performance. If the trimmer charges but drains quickly, allow the battery to discharge naturally and then recharge it fully. This can help recalibrate the battery. Fix 5. Seek assistance from Manscaped customer service. If the trimmer still does not charge after troubleshooting, contact Manscaped support for further assistance. The link will be provided in the description. When you click on the link, a web page will be appeared on your screen like this. From here, you can ask for support. Have your model number, purchase date, and proof of purchase ready. If the device is under warranty, Manscaped may offer a replacement charger dock or trim. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell.